crazy out here, bro. Know what I'm saying? Man, 954 Broward County, this what it is, though, you heard? A lot of deal in this hoe, man, you know what I'm saying? Stuff. These crackers got me 38, nigga, I'm gassed up. Like everywhere I turn, they be wanting to pull a nigga. Look, I'm just trying to feed my shoulders, give them a better life. Why every time they get behind me, they cut on they lies. I threw the dope out the window, he ain't gon' find shit. He mad now, he called his back up to this bitch. He asked to search my car, I told him go ahead, bitch. As soon as they let my ass go, I gotta bust my lick. It's raining in the city, but a nigga used to it. After it's done, I'ma hop in some that ain't got no roof to it. It got that wood wheel in it, 454 block. Sometimes I ride factory when shit be looking hot. Yeah, man. Crack don't give a fuck about us out here, boy. You know what I'm saying? Think it's a game, boy. You know what I'm saying? You either predator or prey out here, boy. Straight like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? But check this out, though. I'm in the city with that fire on my side, nigga. I'm with some Haitians and you know they bout that live, nigga. If you ain't looking for no drama, then don't try it, nigga. These niggas will kill your baby mama while you hide, nigga. My cousin gone, he in the feds, but I'm still bustin' licks. Which one of these fuck niggas ride me, come and touch a bitch? You know I burn your funk ass with this pistol, nigga. Don't get it twisted, we got them ARs and them yoppers, nigga. We ride don'ts right here, larger than 24s. Look like some Martians, nigga, riding in them UFOs. Catch me on Lost Solar Slide, looking for some hoes. This Fort Lauderdale shit, Queens, I'm telling you folks.